My name is Ian Walsh. I'm the CEO of FDH Aero, and I'm here at the Singapore Airshow. My first time, actually, having been in the industry for so long. Very exciting activity here at our booth. We've got really great customers and suppliers coming to see us day in, day out. Really exciting meetings.
你好，我叫何少杰 ，FDH 亚太区董事总经理。我们这个礼拜在新加坡航展，欢迎我们所有客户和合作的供应商们来我们的展台，共续合作前程。谢谢。I'm Cody Ho, Managing Director of FDH APAC. This week we are in Singapore Airshow. Welcome to our customers and partners.
Hi, I'm Kenji from PDQ Aerospace. We are here at Singapore Airshow.
Yeah, we are FDH. We attending the Singapore Airshow, and we have a lot of good activities here.
안녕하세요. FDH 성길호입니다. 우리가 싱가포르 에어쇼에 참석했는데요. 많은 활동들을 준비하고 있으니까 저희 부스에 방문하셔서 음료도 드시고 비즈니스 대화도 많이 나누시고 부스 많이 방문해 주시길 바랍니다. 감사합니다.
My name's Ian Walsh. I'm here at the Singapore Airshow. What a tremendous event here. We're so lucky to have a display with all sorts of customers coming by, reaching out to us.
Hi, my name is James Nguyen. We would love you to stop by and visit us.
I'm Mia Wong. I'm at Singapore Airshow. 我是汪祝平，我们在新加坡航展，欢迎来我们展台玩。